I have never tried it in my life. Especially mothers, keep your mothers. Your mother, keep them out of your marriage. Stop calling people anytime you have problem with your wife or your husband. Just both of you, just be gonna just like just give your husband, both of them, and just give on herself time just for a while. On a day inside house there, they just give on herself. Now normal marriage quarrel no dey, quarrel must dey. Do you know why? Because both of una na be stranger before una know each other. You be stranger, you don't know the man before. The man a stranger to you before, you don't know before two of una come know. So please keep your mother, especially mothers. Stop complaining to your mother things wey dey happen for your marriage. Stop it. Your mother don't live a life. He don't live a life finish. If he not get it, like if with your papa, they don't live now. Okay, you know go see your mother. Like, just look your mother marriage. As for me, since when I take grow, travel come off for Nigeria, I have never seen outsider come settle my father with my mother once. That is what I copy for my mother. Go reach him, mama. If I lie, God is watching me. Before I grow, I leave Nigeria. I was 20-something years old. When I leave Nigeria, I did 20-something years old. When I come off for Nigeria. When my mother take born me right from baby, I can't grow reach that age. I not see my third party evolve for my parents' marriage. Go reach my own grandmother when give birth to my mother. And I never see my father with my mother. They throw carrot once. Or my father pound my mother. But they quarrel, which is normal. Marriage, na normal. Quarrel must dey. Na normal thing. But third party, my mother have no evolved. Third party. The next thing, I will see say, the next day I will see say at 12 they play. Me go dey surprised that wetin they do these two people? Wetin they happen? Do you know? I copied that from her. She know they ask me, say, since you take married this your husband, since we of na take dey for many years, you know they tell me things concerning your marriage. She have never asked me because she know say, now so she take bring her own marriage up. My father died at the age of 100 years. Now with my mother, they together. Till now. Because they use wisdom. So please, my brothers and my sister, especially, I know say you stay there our men, but you, this message not only for we women, but our men too. But especially our women. Now our husband be respect when they are our body. As for me, I'm very, very proud to be a full married woman. I'm proud of my husband. My husband, now be respect when they my body. I'm proud of that. Yes, I'm proud to be a married woman. And I so much thank God when they give me perfect marriage. Yes, I will call it perfect marriage. Yours is perfect. What I always say, be proud of anything that you have. Just be proud of it. Be proud of it. Even if people, they mock that thing when they your hand say no good, you just they talk and say, as far as I'm concerned, this thing it better pass every other thing. So please, take your mother, your father, your friends out of your marriage. Not even your children. Not even your children, because tomorrow your children will go and marry. Your friends, they will go. It remain you and that man. Or tomorrow you and that man, you and that woman not there again. Now your friends wey be say they discourage you, your mama wey discourage you, your papa, your sister, your brother wey discourage you, now they'll first start to dey mock you. They'll first start to dey mock you. So my beautiful women, please, 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 these two things when I just talk, there is a lot. So there is a lot. But now just only these three things. Now just bring come out today. What we need to do and what we need to avoid for our marriage to save. Always pray for your marriage. If it is once in a month, fast and pray for your marriage. And don't involve third party in your marriage. Don't involve your father. Don't involve your mother. Don't involve your friends. Not even your blood sisters and brothers. If something is going on in your marriage, you and your husband get issue, which is normal. Now normal, it's normal. Just avoid your husband for some time. Mute your mouth. That one I be with her, they always do. Oh God. People don't understand. Some people want to say some marriage, if they not involve third party, they not go settle because you don't start out from for the first time. You start out from the beginning. You started from the beginning. Since when I know my husband years ago, since 2008, when I know my husband, he never ever put money for my head. Now so they mute. Anything happen, they mute. I will mute my mouth because I don't like it. I copy it from my mother. I copy it for a lot of things when I copy from my mother. That woman is blessed. A lot of things. You see, marriage, she know the quality of marriage. She cannot bold and call me that she want ask. She cannot, my mother not go try and say want call me. Ask me money. She know the try and now my husband she dey call because she know that I'm married. She cannot call me and ask me for money. She go call my husband because she know that I'm a married woman. So please, 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 and please, and please, let's try our possible best and do the right thing. Keep people away from your marriage. I know some you not get visitor. I didn't mean that. Like when something they happen between you and your husband, don't involve third party. Settle it between you and your husband. Quarrel they come. If una no quarrel, that means una they pretend for each other. Now I be waiting my mother tell me. The day when my husband they pay my bride price. My mother tell me, he say, come, mute your mouth for your marriage. If you and your husband not quarrel, that means una not love each other. Una they pretend. This one was anyhow I live your life now I know. Anyhow I live your life now I know. Tanto I'm not loving. But if you love each other, anything you do will be say not correct, you correct them. So my people, thank you so much for coming. Please, please, if you get anything when I talk, when you say, it not say like make sense for this issue, just to leave your comment below. Nobody is perfect. I need correction. If you want to correct me for something, free to correct me. Okay? I like to be correct because nobody is perfect except God. So thank you so much. God bless you all. I really love you. Don't forget to subscribe for God's Home TV. Turn on the notification button. Leave your comment below and share this video. Bye bye. See you all in my next video.